Yo, what up, street dogs? There, Kim. Alright, so the thought. Perhaps our joy as photographers feeling like we could capture everything. So this whole world around us is all like some sort of information and some sort of, you know, whether it be the colors, the textures, the biological life, the trees and so forth. And perhaps our great joy is, like, you know, photographers are essentially kind of like Pokemon, right? Like we just kind of like want to capture it all. And so maybe now, like, even when it comes to me doing my stuff, you just kind of like look all around, right? I'm trying to become less discriminatory in terms of what I decide to photograph, what I decide to record and so forth, and just kind of realizing that the whole world is your oyster, and we shouldn't limit ourselves within just like two-dimensional reality. Rather, we should delight in this three-dimensionality of everything that exists. And just remembering that life has the best refresh rate, life has the best resolution, and we should just enjoy this thing as much as we can.